This 2023 Renegade Vienna 25VRML is a Class C RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Renegade is 24 feet 11 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 4, Colorado Detector, TV, spare tire kit, awning, DVD player, stove-top burner, slide-out, skylight, leveling jacks, auxiliary battery, and 34 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front dinette, front entertainment, front kitchen, front living area, kitchen island, loft, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. This 2023 Renegade Vienna 25VRML is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.